We're gonna make you a star. David Essex. Okay. Now, do you remember earlier when I mentioned the difference between a leader and a manager? Well, here's a quick reminder. People follow leaders. They work for managers. And do you want to know the fastest way to be regarded as a leader? Do stuff for your team. That's right. You do stuff for your team. Help them solve their problems. Show them things can be better. Encourage and utilize their creativity. Create a culture of innovation. Create an environment where they can thrive. Publicize their successes. Value their contribution. Give them credit. Praise them. Thank them. Defend them. Train them. Reward them. It doesn't matter what your job title is. It's your actions that count. And that's what makes you a leader. Now, Napoleon said it much more eloquently. A leader is a dealer in hope. And next we're going to get into my model for creating superstar teams and individuals. I'll see you in the next lecture.